The side swing is by far the most important trick you need to learn, and this is why. What's up guys, Leon here today, helping you achieve your fitness goals fast with simply a jump rope. Here we do a lot of how to jump rope types of tutorials, as well as jump rope tricks tutorials just like this one, and jump rope reviews. So if you're new here, consider subscribing to this channel. And hey, at any time during the video, consider checking the show notes in the description below. There I'll be writing everything I'm going to be saying here so that you can best absorb the material I'm going to be transmitting to you. With that said guys, let's get into the side swing. The side swing really is one of the most important jump rope tricks you need to master today. It's because the side swing acts as a foundation to all the other tricks you're going to be learning as you advance in your jump rope journey. You will never be able to do the arm swirl without doing the side swing, the 180 without knowing the side swing, even the release without knowing how to do the side swing. Being fluid with the side swing is really going to open up a new window of opportunities where you can expand and build upon. What's really powerful about the side swing is that it teaches you how to position your hands when doing any type of tricks. So I hope I got you to understand how important being able to master the side swing is. First things first, we're going to have to learn how you should position your hands to do the side swings. Statistically speaking, you're probably a right-handed person. So I'm going to be doing this entire video as a right-handed person, but I'm also going to show what the side swing looks like and explain what it looks like for a left-handed person. So when you're doing the side swing, you're always going to have your strong hand, which is your right hand, on top of the left hand at all time. And the first swing you're going to do is always going to be on the right. So that's how it's going to look like. You're gonna put your right hand on top of your left hand and swing to one side. The tip of the two handles should always be facing the side you're swinging at. So if you're swinging on the right, the two handles have to face the right. If you're swinging on the left, the two have to be facing on the left. Now what you're gonna do to position your hands, just like we said, you're gonna have the right hand on top of the left hand, but you're going to move the right hand a bit more to the right, just a bit to the outside. Because if you don't do this, the cable coming out of each handle is going to be too close to one another, and this is only gonna cause tangling between the cables. So you have it right hand on top of the left hand with the right hand reaching a bit outside. Remember, at any point during the side swing, the right hand is always going to be on top of the left hand, and it's always going to be reaching out further than the left hand, even when you're swinging to the other side. Now if you're a left-handed person, it's simple. You're going to have your left hand on top of your right hand at all time, and you're going to start by side swinging to the left, and your left hand is going to be reaching out more than the right hand at any point during the side swing. It's the exact same thing, but reverse it. Okay, so now you know how to position your hands to do the swing, but this is the critical part. You're going to want to switch from a right swing to a left swing. And the switch is where a good technique really plays off. So when you're switching from right to left, your hands should be moving in a specific way. So this is how your hands have to move while switching from right to left. With your wrists, you're going to draw the infinity sign using the jump rope. Do you see it? Do you see it? I'm drawing the infinity sign using the handle. Now with the two hands should be drawing the infinity sign. Remember, the right hand always on top of the left hand. This is exactly how your wrists are going to move when doing the side swing. Try it and you're going to see how much more natural it's going to feel. So one right swing, left swing is going to result in drawing one infinity sign. Your right hand, or the hand that's on top, is definitely going to have to draw a bigger infinity sign than the one on the bottom, because it is just traveling a bigger distance. Remember, the right hand is always reaching out further from your body than the left hand. So it is going to travel a much bigger distance. Now for the opening, how do you jump back inside? You did a right swing, you did a left swing. At this point, your two hands are on the left side of your body with the right hand on top. All you're gonna have to do is just simply open your right hand and jump back in. This is why it's so important to start by jumping on the right side. If you are right-handed, you have to start on the right. Swing right first, then left, then open up. But if you start on the left, you're going to have to do 3 swings before you can physically open your hands back out. Now a final note on looking more fluid while doing the side swing. When you're swinging the rope to the sides of your body, I would recommend you to keep jumping on the toes of your feet. Just watch the difference. Instead of stopping while doing the side swings then jumping back in, wouldn't it look more fluid if I'm still jumping on the toes of my foot even when doing the side swing? So that was it guys, the side swing. We saw that at any time during the trick, you're going to keep your stronger hand on top at all time. You're also going to start by swinging on the side of your stronger hand. If you're right-handed, you're going to start by swinging on the right. If you're left-handed, you're going to start by swinging on the left. The hand that's on top should always be reaching further than the hand that's on the bottom. While switching sides to sides, you're going to use your wrists to make an infinity movement. A good practice to look more fluid is to stay on the tips of your feet even when doing the side swings. Now I'd like to know from you guys, what is the first trick you're going to be learning after you've mastered the side swing? Thank you so much for watching this video guys. I appreciate the time you spent listening to me, and I will see you on Friday's upload. See you soon.